If you think beginner fish are boring, think again. Some of the most entertaining and expressive species in the aquarium hobby are also among the easiest to care for. These fish don't just swim, they interact, they play, and they'll actually start to recognize you. Today, I'm diving into 5 beginner-friendly fish that are small in size but massive in personality. Whether you're starting your first tank or adding life to your community aquarium, these fish will make your setup feel alive. Before I jump in, if you love learning about fascinating fish and simple aquarium tips, hit that subscribe button and join the family. I'm all about keeping fish care easy, fun, and rewarding. First up, the betta fish. Betta fish are legendary for their vibrant colors and bold personalities. They'll flare, explore, and even watch you move around the room. Despite their territorial nature, bettas actually enjoy gentle interaction with their owners. You'll often see them swim to greet you during feeding time. Just remember, bettas prefer living solo in a filtered, heated tank around 78 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. With the right environment, they'll thrive for years and reward you with one of the most interactive fish-keeping experiences out there. Next, guppies, the social butterflies. If you want color, movement, and non-stop activity, guppies are your go-to fish. They're peaceful, easy to breed, and full of personality. Each guppy is different. Some are bold, others are shy, but together they create a dazzling underwater dance. Keep them in small groups and you'll have a lively community that's always on the move. Plus, their colors and fin styles make every tank unique. Third, Corydoras catfish, the gentle cleanup crew. Corydoras, or Cory cats, are adorable bottom dwellers that love to work as a team. They're always sifting through the substrate, looking for leftover food, and their wiggly way of moving is hard not to smile at. Corys are peaceful, social, and best kept in small groups. They help keep your tank cleaner, add loads of personality to the lower levels, and get along with most community fish. Number 4, mollies, the easygoing explorers. Mollies are hardy, adaptable, and endlessly curious. They'll check out every corner of your aquarium and interact with almost any tank mate. From black to gold to Dalmatian, they bring color and variety, and they're great for new aquarists learning the basics of water care. Mollies are live bearers too, so you might even see some baby fish swimming around, which is always a treat. And finally, dwarf gouramas, the calm conversationalists. Dwarf gouramas are known for their graceful swimming and curious nature. They tend to watch you closely and often react to your movements, perfect for peaceful community tanks. They love hiding spots and floating plants. Their shimmering colors stand out, especially for beginners looking for a more interactive fish that's still easy to care for. Now you might be wondering which one should you start with? If you want interaction, go for a betta. If you love community activity, pick guppies or mollies. For group behavior, Corydoras are perfect. And if you want calm and color, a dwarf gourami is a fantastic choice. Each of these fish is beginner-friendly but full of life, expression, and personality. They prove that even a small tank can be packed with energy, character, and joy. If you found this helpful, please like this video, hit subscribe, and become part of our aquarium family. I share simple, honest tips to help you create a tank that truly comes alive. Thanks for watching, and remember, your fish might be small, but their personalities are anything but.